14 games. That's what we do here.
Oh. Let's go! There it is. Go your feet. Let's go.
We're watching PG13 2022.
We teach guys to make sure that you hold yourself accountable, you hold your teammates accountable.
We win as a team. It's not about a person. It's about us as a family, as a team.
One, two, three.
The moment I realized that we won states, it was a great feeling. All the hard work paid off.
As long as you can keep a positive mindset and you can communicate effectively with your teammates and with your coaches, we should be able to go out and win any game.
So I grabbed my phone and I had just ran across the stands and past the student section. I'm just screaming, I'm just like, we just won states.
That's what football is. You know, it's family.
First week is always kind of your pins and needles. Your first assessment of your team, trying to get to see how these guys are going to actually play out. You've seen the scrimmages and you've been watching them hit each other so much. It's going to be too hard because you already got your gate open. I want that gate.
Definitely excited, ready to play. I haven't played since the state championship, so just ready to get at it, really see what we have, really see how we move around, and just, just roll the punches and just get at it.
The prep for this Saturday's game is we just want to really just make sure our guys are detail-oriented. They know where they're supposed to be, where they're supposed to go, and they make the right play at the right time. I want you through there. You should be able to go straight through there.
Douglass is a very good program. They present a lot of challenges just by the offense that they run. Right now, we got a real feel for excitement around here. We got a very young team. So it's going to be a learning curve, but I think these guys are up for the challenge.
I wouldn't say I'm nervous, but I'm anxious because it's my old team and I've been there for 3 years, so I know it's going to be competitive a lot.
Student pride is encompassed by the coaches that we have, the student athletes. It's built around the administration and the legacy teachers and actual coaches that we have in the building.
It's game time.
First game, very excited and just want to see how we come out and compete.
Let's go, it's time. Let's go.
You're going to make the wrong play because you're at linebacker like this.
Hey, it feels amazing playing the game, especially against my old team. I love it. My name is Mike Azar. I play DN.
Go Eagles.
Touchdown.
I'm Fred Dillard. I'm Major Dillard's father.
What's up? How you feeling?
Seeing my son play is something that I really look forward to. It's one of the joys of my life.
Coming back after a state championship, one is exciting. Every new season, you got butterflies.
Hey, you good to go next play?
And it's a new team. We're not the team that won states. It's a brand new group of guys. So I'm really proud of the guys. It's their first varsity game.
So my dad, he's a photographer, and he took this shot for me on the goal line. And he showed me this picture when we got home, and I was going crazy. I was like, wow, you gotta do something with that. So then he just surprised me with this. So my dad, he's like my best friend, but a parent at the same time. So it's kind of funny, like whatever I need, he's got me, whatever I'm going through. He definitely gives me insight on a lot of things that other people wouldn't think about or other people wouldn't do. So yeah, I come to my dad with anything. So yeah, he's definitely my guy.
feels great being back out here. You know, I missed a week. That was pretty hard for me mentally and physically, but you know, being back out here, it feels real great to be back.
Then man, if you see him getting like, if he's working, just push up further. Push up so then by the time you...
Nice.
I saw the outside open. As soon as I made one cut, next thing another man got me, trucked him, and kept on going.
We're just trying to get better every week. Today it got a little lopsided early. Next week, we're gonna really have to be on it. We're watching PG13, 2022. 14 games. That's what we do here.
Oh, what's up? There it is. Run your feet. What's up?